What's going on, Ruben? First one here, baby. We got 1 minute and 5 seconds till the market opens. Let's see. Let me log into this real quick. Let's get it. Christmas rally. Thank you, Rube. That's gonna be a good renter for sure. It's a spider. Montreal. You know about NFT? Not really, honestly. What's going on, Adam? Yesterday. I just started watching videos about like the Web 3.0. Pretty sure you guys have heard about that. I've seen it on Twitter. Web 3.0, an upgrade from the current Web 2.0. It's kind of confusing in a way. There really isn't a real definition as of now, but it's definitely going to be control. Oh my God, AMC's falling pre-market. What's going on here? I think I have like 2 shares of Tesla right now. Yeah, I do have 2 shares of Tesla that I swung trade. I bought at 908 yesterday. I thought Tesla was coming down to like 870. So I was like, I'm gonna buy more because I expected a rebound today. Even in AMC, I'm waiting for a 30 pop. Let's go. That's not GameStop, but let me set one last alert. Hopefully we don't pull back today. Let me scoot the chart over to the right. Marlon, what's going on? Crtx, by the way, had signaled a type 3 short squeeze. And from my understanding, there really isn't a difference in between between the type of squeezes. So yesterday, no, I'm sorry, December 18, there was a type 2 short squeeze and not a lot of price action happened on AMC. But this morning actually, type 3 as you can see here. So that'll be interesting. Let's see what the SI is at right now. This isn't it. It's actually here. Shorts 20.24. I think we were at like a 20.7% for SI on AMC. And GameStop's was actually a bit up. Let's see. Robert Brown, good morning. The AMC Christmas rally. Have you lost your damn mind? We need a rally in this whole stock market. Even in Tesla, 16.92% according to GameStop, according to Ortex. So we're kind of pulling back. Hey, AMC go hold 29, and I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. We were at 20 not that long ago. Let's see. I need a new keyboard. Let's go to Twitter. See what's happening there. Damn, it's so cold out here, guys. It's like 40 something. Well, Taro Bull says Weibo removed holding from AMC's name. What does that even mean? It doesn't say AMC Entertainment Holdings anymore. They changed it. Whatever. Mm. Sava halted. I forgot about that stock. Sava. I think it was falling horribly a couple days ago. Yeah, look at this rally pre-market. It hit 34 yesterday. This is the drop, and now it's at 58 pre-market. News pending. Rob, are you still holding this? I know you were holding some Sava. I'm not too sure if you're still holding this stock. Let's check SPY really quick. It's quiet so far. There's not a lot of action. Not a lot of news either, unlike yesterday. I mean, look at this. GameStop's not even moving. Where's the rally? Oh, you're still holding it? Well, there you go. It's rallying pre-market. Let's go. Good morning, Elmo. The gift of comedy. Good morning. Luckily you never got into Viacom in the NROF. Could be good value now though. Yeah, I never pulled the trigger on Viacom. I was waiting for confirmation of a reversal and it never really showed. There was never really a chance for it to actually pop up. Even the chance it did get here back in July, I remember like the next couple of days it just started falling again. That was the biggest red flag. If you had bought Viacom at 40 and you see a rally to like 47, that's your first sign of hope. But the following days for it to come down like this, that's already a red flag to me. I mean, look at that. I would have probably cut my loss there. And they've just traded sideways for a couple months and then we're back at 28. I don't even know what this pattern is. It's very hard to do some analysis, like some technical analysis on it. Let's see what Tesla's at. Oh, back to 917. I won like 930 today on Tesla. 940 would be decent. I mean, look at the 1 hour. Nothing but downtrend. Couldn't hold 1,000. Let's see if it can hold 900s. GameStop 156, AMC 2960. Come on, come on, Ortex. We need that short squeeze signal to come through and send us back above 31. Morning, Pam. What's going on, Kyoto? What other website was I gonna pull up? I was going to go on some different website. It's not Ortex. I'm probably gonna do some more reading on the Web 3.0. I bought some Bitcoin as well, not a lot. At 47. It's not updated yet. I mean, look at this. Oh, what the F is a short squeeze signal? A short squeeze signal meaning Moas is coming, baby. The first initial short squeeze signals on AMC earlier this year were actually followed by higher price action on AMC. But yes, on December 18, they triggered another one, and not a lot of price action happened on AMC. I mean, we hit 30, but we're still kind of here. But this morning, they signaled another one, so hopefully this sends us back above 32, and GameStop follows along. LRC, that's Loopring, right? The GameStop coin. I saw it yesterday actually. It was like at $2 and something cents. I was I was looking through I was looking at the Web 3.0 thing and I was looking at all the coins that were supposedly going to be big on that. Polygon, I believe, was another one. Polkadot was another one. There's this apparent project that's supposed to be like YouTube in a way that doesn't censor because YouTube. I shouldn't even saying this because they're probably watching me right now. Probably have some algorithm that tracks what you say. You guys remember that? Like earlier this year when you were subbed to a certain channel, say this channel, and you had post notifications on, so every time they posted you got a notification, they completely nerfed that. They nerfed it. Nobody was getting notifications. And if you look at the bigger channels with millions of subscribers, they're running into the same problem. They're censoring a lot of people. IWM is pumping. I know you're gonna get mad if I tell you that. Maybe that's why we're seeing a little push on AMC here, right? 3042, baby. Short squeeze signal. I'm telling you. The Christmas rally. This year went by so fast. And as I get older, it's so weird because these holidays don't feel like holidays anymore. Like looking back a couple years, you'd be so thrilled for like Christmas and like the spirit is just gone. For me, it's gone. It's dead. Morning, Joskies. Good morning. That's right. No, but David, I don't own any LRC to answer your question. EmoFab, good morning. Is Mans going live today? I know he went live for a little bit yesterday. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. Uh-oh, guess what? Guess what the first thing is? Hashtag AMC short squeeze. Kramer apparently got the Rona a couple yesterday. So let's see if he's on right now actually. You think he is? From his house, from his home? Oh, he's back. Oh,
President Biden's talking about giving 500 million tests out. Now, Abbott has the ability to produce 50 a month, 50,000. I'm sorry, 50.
no, AMC trends every day. I think that's just for me though, because they know my Twitter is literally all finance. That's why I have my separate, my personal from the finance one. I have two Twitter accounts. So maybe that's why. Let's click on here. Let's see what people are saying. there was even a couple reporters on CNBC saying that there was going to be a meme short squeeze, not even just for AMC, but for the meme stocks early next year. And I'm telling you, I had thought that like 2 weeks ago. And you know why? Because it's gonna probably if there's gonna be a date where I can tell, oh, there we go, AMC new high. Let's go. Come on, GameStop, wake up. Dude, I'm telling you, Christmas rally, baby. He got his coworker sick. There's gonna be one day where there's gonna be a squeeze. It's probably gonna be at the end of January, January 27. Maybe it'll be the same date as earlier this year. That's my guess. That would be my bet. Facebook knows that you're an Adam Aaron fanboy. I don't even really use Facebook, to be honest, Rob. I'm mostly an Instagram, but I've cut the limit that I'm on my phone, but definitely Twitter. It has to be Twitter. Twitter's very quick. Oh, speaking of Twitter, review your phone. Is this your still? That's my phone number. That's pretty weird. But you got to be careful with all these social media platforms. Be careful what you like Reddit, Facebook groups. Like I'm in this Tesla Facebook group, guys, right? And I usually mess around with this sometimes. Like I'll be like, "Oh, Tesla's gonna fall to like $800, you know?" And this is coming from somebody who has Tesla long. All of those people in there are Tesla bulls. Everybody piles up on me, but they don't tell me you're a shill, right? You're wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. It's like a freaking cult. It's an echo chamber in there. But the moderator doesn't ban me because he openly stated that you have to keep a balanced perspective in order for this place to not become an echo chamber. And I respected that because you don't see that like on Reddit, on AMC or GameStop or anywhere else. Discord, there's an AMC Discord with like 100,000 members in there. You say something negative about AMC, boom, you get the boot, you're out. Be careful with such places like that. Tesla's at or above. Let's freaking go. My two shares are kicking ass right now. Tesla didn't come down to like 8 or like 870, 860. We were waiting for. I thought we were gonna coming down hard, cracking 900 on the 4 hour. I believe coming off the highs. That was the lowest we've seen. Yeah, or maybe even the support line, the trend line here on 860, 850. So I was like, hmm, is it worth the day trade? Should we buy more? Or should we just hold these, swing trade these shares? So far, we're seeing a nice little rebound. Let's go. Let's get this GameStop. What are we doing? 157, still in the green. AMC up nearly 3% as of now. Tesla's never going to $4. I can't believe you actually thought we were coming down like that. I remember you told me in Texas, man, we're coming down. I was like, I'll bet you some money on that. Uh, what is this guy talking about? Year 2021 in review, where I discovered that weightlifting alone is not good for you. I don't agree. Nomura warns a potential squeeze melt up into new year amid deteriorating liquidity. I don't want to read that right now. Let's see what Bitcoin's at really quick. Now I have to watch Bitcoin because I actually have some in there. 48.7, not bad. Bitcoin, number one, Ethereum, number two, Binance Coin, Solana, Cardano. Cardano, $1.26. This one might be another coin I want to swoop up. ADA. Let's see where Loopring is at. It was at 52 the other day. Yeah, it's at 52. $2.13. What's the next level of resistance for AMC? I'd say definitely 34s. Let's set an alert there. And for the daily, it has to be like 30, $40. If we can get back to 40, we're back in the game. Ralph, I bet you Tesla will touch 650 again before it touches 1200. I somewhat agree, Kyoto. As much as I don't want to agree, let's go AMC. Give me a new high. Let's pull up the times and sales. Get in the Christmas spirit. Boom. 31. This is called the Ortex pump. I agree with you, Kyoto. As much as I don't want to agree, I think we might see not maybe not 650, but maybe definitely the low 800s, 700s before we go back up to 1200. 3129, 3136. It's still going. Give me 50. Look at that. You know what I smell? I smell FOMO right now. GameStop's waking up as well. 158. They're both in the green. 44. Give us 50. Come on. 48. 49. Is he really not going to give me 50? He's going to troll me. Oh, no. 3149 was a peak for right now. Hopefully not for the day. GameStop's next level of resistance. The resistance itself right now is at 160. Let's see if we can break that, and then we're definitely headed back to the 180s. Let's see. Are we breaking past 160? Yep, AMC got rejected at 3149. There must have been a wall there of some type at 3149, 3150. Um, unless they pass some huge new stimulus package, I don't think stocks are going to touch previous all-time highs again until there's a decent sized correction. I mean, look what happened yesterday with the triple B plan. It got rejected. That was definitely one of the biggest catalysts we had pre-market, why stocks are moving down. As of now, we're nicely rebounding. Not a lot of news out there that I'm looking at. Definitely Omicron is the thing I see right now on top of everything. Omicron is now the most common Rona virus variant in the US. I think I read yesterday that in Texas, someone had died in Texas apparently. Mm, I need to do more research on that. And Web 3.0. When I think of like the meta and all that stuff, you know what I think of? Like the first thing that comes to mind is literally Club Penguin. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? Come on, AMC, hold there. 3089. Looks like 160s was kind of the resistance level for GameStop. If they don't troll you, I promise that I will. Goldman Sachs' S&P 500 price target is 5100 for 2022. Come on, AMC. Actually, I'm not even too worried of AMC right now. Above 30, I think it's a big dub, significant dub. Club Penguin. You know what I'm talking about? Does anybody know what I'm talking about? It was discontinued like a while ago, a couple years ago. Not even a couple years ago. What, like 2013? Where is Morats? That's what I'm wondering. He probably slept in again. Yeah, the game. It was a game, online game. Let me see. That's what comes to mind when I think of the metaverse. It was released in 2005. Oh, it was actually discontinued in 2017. There we go. We're still holding support for AMC at 31. This looks like the other day. You guys remember this? Oh, right here. We held EMA for like about an hour or so. At market open. We rallied nonstop. So it looks like we're headed for another one of those type of days. That'd be amazing. No pullbacks. And maybe we could see another retest of GameStop's 160 resistance. Let's set an alert. See what Tesla's doing. I have a feeling it's gonna. Yeah, I had a feeling it was coming down. 914, not bad. I'm just gonna be careful about the 900 support level. Mm-mm. Investing club. What Jim Cramer is watching Tuesday? Start of the Santa rally, hopefully. Let's click this. Let me scroll this through this really quick. What an odd type of candle on GameStop right here. I usually don't see these gaps on there. He's watching Nike. Nike, I think, had earnings yesterday. Oracle, United Rentals, Micron, Alibaba downgraded by Atlantic. Looks like we're having another rebound in Alibaba. Buy or no buy? I might actually be interested in buying Baba if we break like 125. Because every time we've had a new low, look at this, it's rebounded and tested this trend line for the most part. Even if it doesn't test the trend line and it gets to like 140, I still think that that'll be decent profit. This one's gonna be one to watch for sure. Alibaba. That's it. Alerts on that. Nvidia. I mean, but if Kramer's watching it, that should be a big red flag, no? See, my keyboard sucks. Why does it type 2 E's? Tesla should fight some support around 820 and 850. That'll be a much better support level than what Kyoto said 650. You guys remember when Tesla fell to 500? Oh man, I was getting wrecked. That was literally after AMC's rally, I think. Joskis, you have a good day. Break is over. Gotta get back to work. There we go. Get the bag. I'm getting Tesla tweets. Gonna stick my neck out and call Tesla bottom. See if this ages well. The first reply on that is someone saying Tesla will bottom between 650 and 700. Literally what I just said. We don't want to happen. Nah, I guess we're gonna have to buy more. AMC still holding support at 31. Let's take a look at the market watch, market heat map. Not looking too bad. What's today? Is it Tuesday or Wednesday? It's Tuesday. It felt like Wednesday. So we have the 22. Yeah, we have GDP tomorrow and the Fed PCE on Thursday. Markets are closed on Friday. Bonds are closed Friday. I think the bond market closes early on Thursday. $780. Let's take a look. Let's see what's up with this stock. I mean, if it comes down to 800, it's back at that range we were trading in October before the massive squeeze. I would be happy with like 800, 850 of a support bounce. AMC still at 31. Let's actually pull up SPY really quick. I think the last time we went live, SPY was getting wrecked. Yeah, we had bounced off of, where is it? I think we're coming down here. Somewhere around there. Let's set an alert. Oh, nice. Small caps bouncing. The Dow was getting wrecked yesterday as well. It was down like what, 700 points? See, I cannot type on this keyboard. It's so annoying. It's up 200 something points. Not bad. Gamestop coming down 156, back in the red. AMC is still in the green, pulling back $30.60. Hold above 30. Come on. Uh-oh. Will me tweet it. Stocks with the highest short interest according to S3. S3 partners. BFRI. SI apparently is 79%. I think he just pumped the. Oh, no, no, no. Actually, no. I thought he just pumped the stock right now. Because this guy, usually when he tweets, the stocks go up. Because he's been fairly right on his predictions. Or is he only right because people follow the stocks and they pump him up? Hmm. But this one's one with almost 80%. It's up 65% today. The next one is CRTX with 52%. And if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is the one we're watching. This is the one Robert Brown's invested in. Look, I still have my alert here. Is that right, Robert Brown? You're still holding these, right? I think you have some options on this. This one's number 2 on his list. CRTX. SI at 52%. What are people expecting this to go down to 5? Not a lot of volume though. Keep that in mind compared to like BFRA, the one we just pulled up right now, which looks like it might get halted today. I think it was halted earlier right here at 11:57. Yeah, circuit breaker. Next one is IMUN. Not a lot of volume with 45%. Number 4 on the list, LGVN with 36%. And the last one is not a meme stock, ICPT with 35%. But obviously, a lot of the SI you see online for like AMC and GameStop, not a lot of people believe it. I'm actually curious for that number 1 on there, BFRA. AMC should hold above 30. Not totally certain about that though. I mean, if it closes above 30, it's a massive win. We were at $20 the other day. Think about that. It's at 30 again. This gives it another shot. The stock isn't dead. If it was dead, it would have been right now like at 12, 13, $14 again. That might be an interesting one, Robert, still. CRTX. I still had my alert on there. Pfizer shares dropped 5.7%. Most intraday since June 2020. PFE, right? Ouch. Coming off the yearly high here, 61. Moderna as well. And J&J. All right, let's see how look at this. You guys see this? You guys see this bounce off the lows at 50 cent 53? All the green orders coming in. One of the things I like to see is the times in sales to see how strong that bounce is. And as you can see right now, the sellers are piling in on the buyers, and this candle, this wick is ugly. This is literally a red flag as a day trader. This signals to me that it's gonna keep on dropping hard right now. Way more sellers than buyers. It's a massive war right now. A lot of volume too. I like that. Uh-oh, it's about to crack. That is called reading the tape. Reading the tape. That would have been a massive red flag here. If you bought the dip here thinking we're gonna bounce to like 58, 60s, and you start seeing the sellers pile on and the wick on the candle coming down, you want to get out. 30 cents. You're gonna jinx yourself. It's gonna close above 30. Watch. It's gonna close above 30. How's Peloton doing? Let's see. I was thinking the other day, by the way, of buying a Peloton, right? They're like or was it like $2,000 for the bike, depending on what model you get and whatnot. I was like, why don't I just get my lazy butt up and just go to the gym? Like, why do I need my school had Pelotons and they were pretty decent. By the way, you don't understand how mad guys, I got straight A's, right, in all my hard classes. I checked my email. Oh, Peloton's at 38, by the way. Wait, what? I think I could have sworn we were at 90 the other day. It's at 36? It really came down like that? There's no way I missed this drop. Where was I? Damn. It's going out of business. Apparently, Kyoto. I mean, Zoom was another one that was these stay-at-home stonks. They're just coming down like a rock. I mean, I still think Zoom has potential. I still think Zoom is gonna change the way people like do like conferences and meetings. People are gonna realize that you don't have to drive and get ready and go to in-person meetings when you can just go to, through Zoom, right? But I still think that in-person element is very, very important. Yeah, the earnings drop right on earnings. Speaking of wanting to buy a Peloton. Oh, by the way, I got straight A's, right? And then I checked my email on last week, and then there's a email from my school that says oh, on your grade card you're now able to not show your letter grade and just show it as pass or no pass for one of your classes listed below. And it was my gym class, right? And it says C. And I'm like, wait a minute, this must be an error, right? I got a Z. I got a C on this easy one credit class where you just show up to the gym and work out. I was so livid when I looked up my grades and there was a C on there. You don't understand how my school is about to get my. They're about to see the mean side of me in January when school's open again. January 2nd, I'm gonna be the first one that I'm gonna be complaining. A C in gym class? Are you kidding me? I showed up every single day with mandatory days to work out, and I get a C. A C, not even a B. Like, I need an A in that class. There's no way. Oh my god, I'm so mad. Like my blood was boiling. I hurt my shoulder in that class, and even then, after that class, I would still go to like the actual gym to work out because that gym sucked. They have no equipment there. You can't get a good workout in there. Oh my gosh. Who is this? Guggenheim initiates Tesla with a target of $1,963 a share. Were you flexing on people? Literally, like four people were in there every time. You go in at your own time. You just walk in there and work out. I don't understand. Peloton has been falling off ever since the lawsuit. Yeah, I remember that. The child who got killed on the machine. I mean, where were the parents at? You were in the sauna. They have no sauna. I'm telling you, it's a horrible school gym. They have no squat racks, no bench racks, nothing. All right, I'm trying. Wait, what is this? AMC? What? AMC blue pattern. What is that? Ozzy, what's going on? He says, "What do you think I should put a little money in right now?" I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't answer that. But I don't know what you mean by a little money. Couple bucks? Usually, when I think of like little money, I think of money you just invest long term and you just forget about it. Dow jumps 300 points as stocks rebound after 3-day sell-off due to the Omicron. There we go. Let's see what Tesla's doing. Hopefully not 908. Oh my gosh, 903. Telling you, be careful with these Tesla Elon Musk selling. Supposedly Elon stopped selling, right? He's not selling stock anymore, but I still think he is going to be selling some. Actually, yesterday's support or trading range was like 903. Let's see if we get a nice little bounce here. If it does come down under 900, I might get my buy at around 870. Let's see that. Bad form on your squats. I have the best squatting form ever. Ass to the grass. Did you roll up to the gym class in a Lambo? No. But there is a professor who drives this nice Tesla, the plaid one, the new one. The Model S, the plaid one. Very nice. You think he's a Tesla stockholder? I think he is. I think he's a shareholder. I mean, yesterday at the gym, there was a Tesla Model, it was a Model 3. I sent it in the Discord. It was wrapped in green, and the plate said Doge 999. Oh, I remember that. That's why Peloton fell. They were watching our live stream on our idea of the shower treadmill, and they're like, these guys are geniuses. Don't let Morantz hear this. Where is Morantz? I'm telling you, he stepped in. A piggy bank, long term. Buy Spy and just forget about it. Come back 30 years from now. Insurance Institute for Highway Safety says 2021, 2022 Tesla Model Y. Model Y qualifies for top safety picks. That's right. Baseball cards and bubblegum. All right, let's see this. I think we have some drama with Dr. Fauci.
Because, frankly, I think it's dangerous. But Jesse Waters, who is a Fox News entertainer, was giving a speech to a conservative group where he talked about you and suggested to the crowd that they ambush you with what he said was some kind of rhetorical kill shot. That was his exact word. I'm wondering, how much that concerns you when you hear language like that about you and your well-being.
Well, John, that's horrible. I mean, that just is such a reflection of the craziness that goes on in society. The only thing that I have ever done throughout these 2 years is to encourage people to practice good public health practices, to get vaccinated, to be careful in public settings, to wear a mask. And for that, you have some guy out there saying that people should be giving me a kill shot to ambush me. I mean, what kind of craziness is there in society these days? That's awful that he said that. And he's going to go very likely unaccountable. I mean, whatever network he's on is not going to
Probably shouldn't have played that, huh? Elon Musk Neuralink chip. Would anybody ever want to get that installed in their brain? A neural chip? I am not getting a booster shot, by the way. I don't know how. I got the first two shots, and after that, I'm like, I'm good. I don't know about a booster shot. At what point is it just becoming money? We're still at 3070 on AMC. We were expecting a 32-33 push. That's what I put on the Discord yesterday, I think. 33 or 34 push. Kind of almost on that in the money. Tesla, definitely not. Gamestop still 156. Spy 457. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. That's not NASDAQ, by the way. No wonder Tesla's dropping. Not surprised. Futures were up. We got a little excited, and now we're plunging back down. Apple, Facebook, Meta. I guess people are like, where's the volatility at? Where's the volume? Are people taking the week off already? Calling it quits already? Fauci is a complete DV. Did you see people leaving their car doors wide open in San Francisco just so thieves won't smash the windows? I did not. It's not great because I think I was actually going to San Fran in a couple weeks too. No, you already got one in your arm. Why need a chip in your brain when I already have one in my arm? That's funny. Couple hundred. Not financial advice, but I would just do it long term. Or honestly, you know what? An insurance policy, life insurance policy. I have a couple. Has it been 6 months for you, Ralph? Can't get your booster until 6 months after your second jab. My second jab was June something. So yeah, it's about to be 6 months. Actually, yeah, June or July. What was that? Uh-oh. Nasdaq's falling. That means Tesla should be falling still. Do we wait for them? Yeah, we're gonna wait. 893 was the low yesterday. Definitely gonna see that today, I'm sure. I'm gonna test 890 something. So just wait on this one. We saw a little last night GameStop. We saw a nice little pop here on AMC back to 3120, giving us hints and signs that we might see a new high today. Hopefully. Yeah, but that's definitely not financial advice, Ozzy. Drugstore chain Rite Aid said it plans to close at least 63 stores in the coming months. Ticker symbol RAD. I forgot they're still in business, Rite Aid. It must be their ice cream sales, to be honest, that's keeping them alive. What was the brand? The brand from the ice cream? Thrifty, I think. Thrifty ice cream. Yeah, Twitter's definitely quiet. It's a quiet day today, I feel. Make sure to leave your windows down, the doors open when you get there. You might want to keep the keys in the ignition too. That's why you always have to have a tracker in your car. Have a tracker. Check your phone, just in case someone tries to be funny, steal your car. You know where it's at. All right, there we go. 3127. Let's see another push on this bad boy. GameStop is still quietly at 156. Let's see Ortex. Let's see what they updated for the SI on AMC. What is it showing me? Alrighty, brace yourselves. 20.24% still. Not too bad. If this stock had managed to hit 33, 34, there might be a good chance we continue that momentum up to 40. Do you guys think Moaz happens in 2022? That's a good question. Very hard question as well. A tracker? How about a gun? 2020, like if you guys think about it, if you sit back, like December 21st. Wait, isn't the world supposed to end today? I remember in 2012, I was so scared. I remember because I was going into high school as a freshman. I'm like, I won't make it because the world's gonna end December 21st because of the Mayan calendar. Remember that, guys? The movie 2012. But yeah, as more is happening in 2022, it's been a year already. It's gonna be a year. How many people will wait another year and just hold it out? Opportunity cost is what I think comes to mind. A phone won't do you any good, Ralph. They stole that off of you last. Yeah, they stole my phone. They stole my phone. You know what? You know what happened as well when they robbed me? I had my credit card, right? And I'm like, you know what? First logic, you get robbed, you lock your credit cards, you get new cards, whatnot. I didn't lock my credit cards. I was like, if they spend money, I could dispute it, I could get the money back. But I want to see if I can like track him down in a way. So these guys went to a gas station at 7-Eleven, and I forgot what city it was. I think it was like Ventura out there. And they put, I don't know if they bought stuff or they put gas, but they spent like 20 something bucks at the gas station with my credit card. So I was like, whatever. These guys are probably tripping out like, oh wow, this idiot didn't lock his cards. We just robbed him. 4K cash, his phone, his whatever. They stripped me down everything. I had a book in my bag, everything. Mercedes key that was like ridiculously expensive to replace. It was like 400 bucks to replace the key because they had to program it, all this crap. And they went back again like the next day and they used it again at the same gas station. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna lock it now. And I never got like a call back from like the investigator or the detective, whatever. He called me back a couple times. I told him they were using my card here and there, and I never got a call back. But apparently, the building there was notoriously known for a lot of theft. He told me, he's like, bro, he's like, you got lucky, you just got robbed. He's like, literally at this place, there's a kid your age, 22, 23, who got killed the other day, and they stole like 500,000 in cash. Something ridiculous. Probably wasn't 500,000, but like 6 figures in cash. So you can kind of have an idea what kind of transactions go on in there. No one's just carrying around 6 figures. How is this story getting funnier? I'm telling you, I'm glad I'm alive. I'm blessed I'm alive, but these are moments you probably never forget. Like I still remember the whole like the scenario, everything. Don't tell my Ransat though that I didn't lock my cards. He's probably gonna troll me so hard. I tried to track my phone too, but those guys were at least smart enough to turn it off and never turn it back on. There we go. It looks like AMC's about to rip here. Let's go, baby. There we go. GameStop waking up as well. But I got the money back, yeah. I filed a dispute with my credit card and I got the money back. It was like 40 bucks. 31.61. What's going on, Neuro? Well, here I am. Here we are still. Yeah, it's a whole year. $905. Meh, not too happy, not too excited, but if we can get a nice little dip under 900, when I mean nice little dip, I mean like 50 buck dip. Let's get a $50 dip. Not locking your credit cards because you wanted to track down the mugger. You know what I thought? I'm like, I'm gonna pull up on these guys. I'm gonna pull up on them. I'm gonna just wait outside the 7. I couldn't even track what 7-Eleven it was. It had like a number on there. It said 7-Eleven like 13. I'm like 13. I'm like Googling 7-Eleven 13. And it tracked me down to that area in Ventura. So I thought it was that one. And then I remember calling up the 7-Eleven. I'm like, is this 7-Eleven 13? He's like, yeah. I was like, I'm gonna do the dirty work here. I'm gonna be the detective. 3165. 158, 150. Oh, look at GameStop back in the green. I want to see GameStop outperform AMC today. Why? Because that 160 Waller is just, it's like bothering me. Let's see that rip. All right, we saw a new high here on AMC, but can we see 33, 34? Don't make big decisions after a bad night's sleep is a tweet I just got. Don't make big decisions after a bad night's sleep. Some morning wisdom for y'all. It's like GameStop freezes. I think it's halted. There we go. It gives me that vibe. What was that first stock? Where is it at? Where is it at? There we go. Oh, not bad. Up 77% now. Uh-oh. AMC's about to hit. You know what? Let's see. I'm kind of bored. I just want to see some action. I need that thrill this morning. BFRI, baby. The volume on this is like nuts. Let's see. Come on. Maybe this stock could go to 20. We don't know. That's why Moran says you gotta face a mugger with love. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but you look innocent. That's kind of what kind of motivated me to go to the gym too. I thinking about it, yeah, when I was mugged, I was way thinner, way thinner. Now I'm like twice that size, 260 pounds. I think people, I think people think I look like I'd mug them. Come on, GameStop. We're waiting for that 160 break. And AMC's about to hit 32, baby. Let's go. Man, what a beautiful play if you think about it. That 20 bounce, that 20 entry was so brilliant. It was probably my second best play on AMC. I would have to say. The timing on this, the luck as well, the luck involved on this. This could have went at 15. We could have wrecked. 31.98. See it. Let's see 32. 32. Funny. Oh, there we go. 160. Oh, it's funny that you asked that, Neural. Do you use scanners? I used to when I first started trading. Like I use FinViz. I used to use a scanner on here, by the way. I pulled it up. Thinkorswim does have a scanner on here, but I don't remember the last time I pulled this up. There's videos on this channel that are probably years old that I talk about the scanners and how I set them up. But not anymore. You know what my scanners are? Twitter and you guys. You guys bring a lot of the plays up, and Discord as well, and Twitter. Twitter would probably be my top one. I mean, if you guys think about it, that play we just got in here right now with BFRI is because of Twitter. Or Yahoo Finance might be another good one. 32.20. We're looking so nice on AMC. Up 8%. GameStop tapped the resistance here at 160. It's still up 1.5%. And AMC here is still going. Look at this. 22. 23. Penny by penny. Next level of resistance is going to be $34, which we tapped on December 8th. All right, here we go. People are taking some profits. Let's see if this pulls back to the healthy support levels. Yeah, we'll probably go live for like 7 more minutes. But definitely key levels that we're watching for today. Hopefully this stock doesn't come down under 30. That's going to be painful to watch. I'm going to set an alert just in case. Under 30. Because I don't know how high AMC could go today. I don't know how high this stock is going to go. So I would say a fair support level would be like 30, 50. Or right around here. And for GameStop, I don't know if we're going to break 160s today. Hopefully we can. And for Tesla, you guys know we can't forget about Tesla. Oh yeah, we were kind of like buying BF. Oh my gosh. Talk about ugly candles. BFRI, I'm telling you that the high on this is 1463. Let's see if we get a nice pop to like $20 in the coming days. This one's gonna be interesting. It was the top #1 stock with like 79% short interest. It's up 83%. That number is just scary. 83. Yeah, and Tesla's probably gonna come down to like 860 if it doesn't hold 900, in which right now it is. But then again, Nasdaq is like teetering with the lows today. I thought we were gonna see a nice rebound today in tech. It looks like Gamestop and AMC are the ones that are green today. But these ugly candles, look at that. These are probably profit takers and stop losses going off. I'm not too surprised though. AMC has been doing great this week. And talking about booster shots, New York City providing a $100 incentive for booster shots. Mayor says $100. I think they were giving people like money for the first shot anyways. Like I didn't even get anything. A free pizza. Look at this. Through December 31st. Uh oh, there we go. Yeah, Nasdaq's falling. I don't know how that's gonna affect the AMC and GameStop. I mean, if the overall market, there we go. Let's kind of see some red coming in here. Amazon, Google. If tech really starts to get wrecked today, I'd be careful with AMC. I don't know how well it's gonna hold or how strong. 156 again for GameStop. Not doing too bad. The next day we will be going live is Thursday, guys. Thursday. The market is closed Friday. And Thursday we have the PCE coming out. That's going to be interesting. Definitely going to hit a record high as well for the PCE. Yeah, not doing too bad for GameStop as well. We were at 127 for GameStop. Similar to AMC's pattern. So not too bad. I'm telling you, this keyboard. What's a good keyboard to have? I want to spy. One of those mechanical keyboards. Yeah, look at these ugly candles on SPY. Get ready for the roller coaster. We're coming down. All right, there we go. Nasdaq pulling back. Christmas rally? Nope. Four, five consecutive red. Yep, you're off Thursday. There we go. Maybe the Santa Claus rally is coming on Thursday, not today. Yeah, it's quite an ugly drop here on SPY. Let's see crypto. Let's see how crypto's getting affected. 48.7, not bad. Bloody Christmas. We're gonna end it here. We're gonna be back Thursday. Thursday. So those are the key support levels I'm watching for AMC. $30 support level. I would say 150s for GameStop. Play it safe. And Tesla, there we go, 890s. We were 100% sure we were gonna tap yesterday's low, 893. We're so close. Maybe after that we see 870s. That's gonna be interesting. 870s, 850s. The trend line is at 863, so it won't be too bad. So we'll leave you at that. Hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your Tuesday. We're gonna be back Thursday for another stream. I will see you guys on Thursday. Peace out.